Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is another one brand makeup tutorial. And in today's video I'll be using all Colorbar Cosmetics makeup products to create this look. So this is a very mauvey purplish sort of a makeup look that I created using only Colorbar makeup products. I quite loved this makeup look. It's been a while since I used a lot of mauvey tones in my makeup. So yeah, this is the look that I've created using all Colorbar products. If you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then please do continue watching. First, I'm applying the Spotlight Illuminating Lotion from Colorbar. This is like an illuminating moisturizer which has very tiny little shimmer particles to it, which adds a lot of glow to your skin. Very similar to the MAC Strobe Cream, and it's such a great dupe for that. So I'm just applying that all over the face. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using this mini eyebrow pencil from Colorbar. This is the shade Chestnut. So I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows and to define them. This is a very well pigmented, deep, warm brown eyebrow product. Then I'm going to take the Flawless Full Cover Concealer in a very deep shade. I think it's called Lacy. So I'm just going to apply that on top of my eyelids, as well as to clean under the bottom area of my eyebrows to make them look more sharper and defined. I'm going to blend it out using a concealer blending brush. For eyeshadows, I'm using this cute little eyeshadow quads from Colorbar. So first I'm taking the variant PS I Love You, and I'm going to pick up this matte smoky mauve shade and applying that all over the crease and blending it out thoroughly. This is going to act as a transition color, and these eyeshadows have a lot of pigmentation to them. Then I'm taking another variant, which is like this golden bronzy variant. I'm going to pick up this pale gold eyeshadow from the other palette on a flat brush and applying that to the 1/3 of the inner corners of the eyelids. Switching over to the mauvey pink eyeshadow quad, I'm taking this really pretty rosy shimmer eyeshadow and applying that only to the centers of my eyelids. Going back with the golden eyeshadow quad, I'm taking this bronzy gold color and popping that right on the centers of my eyelids to make my eyelids pop more. Then I'm going to take this matte deep brown eyeshadow from the same palette on a tapered blending brush and defining my outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this very cool product from Colorbar. This is their all-rounder pencil in a pink shade. You can use this as a liner, as a kajal or a lip liner, pretty much anywhere or as anything on your face. So I'm using that as a liner on my upper lash line and smoking it out using a smudger brush. Then I'm taking the Colorbar Just Smokey Kajal in a black shade and going very close to my upper lash line. Not gonna dominate the pink that I just applied, just keeping it super close to the lash line, and I'm gonna smudge it off using the smudger end on the same pencil. This is gonna add a lot of depth to the smoky eyeliner that I'm creating on my top lash line. To prime my face, I'm using the Perfect Match Primer, which is like a silicone based primer which helps in filling in all your pores and creates a smooth, flawless canvas before you apply any base products. For foundation, I'm using one of my favorite foundations. This is the Colorbar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation in the shade FW 8.2. To apply that, I first took this Colorbar Beauty Blender, and this did not apply any product onto the skin, but it just completely absorbed all of the foundation on the sponge and nothing was translating on the skin. So I switched over to my buffing brush to apply the foundation, And here you can see the foundation application properly with a buffing brush. I love this foundation. This truly feels and looks like a second layer of your skin. It has about medium to full coverage upon building it up. So even if you have acne prone pigmented skin, this would work really well and it would not look cakey at all. I'm using the same concealer to conceal my under eyes. This is not a highlighting sort of a concealer. It's very close to my own complexion. So yeah, I'm just using that to conceal my under eyes rather than highlighting. But it's got a great coverage though. It's very beautiful, easily blendable and super rich and creamy. To set my face and to bake a little bit, I'm using the Colorbar airbrush finish powder. I'll put the shade in the description box. So I'm using that to bake underneath my eyes. This one has a bit of a glowy property to it. It's not completely matte, so I feel it's ideal for you to use it only on the under eyes to bring that brightness and glowy effect on the under eyes rather than using it on the whole face. So I'm taking the same Colorbar Just Smokey Kajal in the black shade and applying that to my lower waterline as well as on the lower lash line thickly to create a smoky effect over there as well. Switching over to the smudger end of the same pencil to smoke out the lower lash line wherever I applied the kajal. Now taking this matte mauve shade again on the same tapered blending brush and applying that right where the kajal sort of ends to create that smoky blended effect on the lower lash line. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the excess powder away which I use for baking. I'm taking the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. First, I'm going to pick up the larger sized wand which is meant for your upper lashes and which also adds a lot of volume to your lashes. So I'm coating my top lashes first. Then I'm going to take the skinnier end of the mascara from the same mascara tube and applying that only to my bottom eyelashes, which just separates your lashes and adds a lot of length to them. For the rest of the face, I'm taking the Colorbar 24-hour weightless powder foundation in the shade PF15 and applying that to the rest of the face to sort of amp up the coverage as well as to set the rest of the face as well. For contouring, I'm taking this contour and highlight duo. This is a very cool toned contour shade, but it translates very well on my complexion. I was very skeptical before buying this product, but it turned out really good. Perfect contouring color. So I'm just applying that wherever I need some definition, such as the hollows of the cheeks, the perimeters of my forehead, the jawline, and also on the sides of the nose as well as on my bottom lip area to make my lips look more pouty and plumped. This also blends very easily and you just need a tiny bit of the product to apply on your complexion. For blusher, I'm using one of my most favorite blushes. This is the Colorbar Sweet Scarlet Blush. Such a pretty corally pink shade, very universally flattering color, works on all complexions. So I'm just applying that right on top of the contour in a sculpting way, and it's very pigmented as well and blends super effortlessly on the cheeks, so you would only need a tiny bit of the blusher. To highlight the face, I'm taking this really soft highlighter from the Contour Duo. It's a very finely milled soft highlighter. So I'm just applying that to the tops of the cheekbones, to the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and also to highlight the inner corners and my brow bone area. It's very soft on the skin, so it's not going to emphasize any texture on the skin. Looks very beautiful, adds that nice ethereal glow. Then I found these eyelashes from Colorbar, which are really great in quality, I must say. I'll put the variant in the description box. I really don't remember the style of it, but they are very nice and dramatic, but super comfortable on my eyes. So I'm just applying that here. They do have a lot of other varieties as well, and I do have another variant in this which I absolutely love as well. Then I'm taking this pen type eyeliner from Colorbar just to cover up the eyelash band, not really creating any eyeliner or anything, just covering up the eyelash band just to make it look all seamless. Now coming to the lips, I'm taking this mini lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. Such a pretty deep chocolatey color, so I'm just using that to overdraw my lips. Works really well on dusky complexions. For lipstick, I'm taking this Matte Me As I Am lip color. Again, this is a mini lip crayon in the shade Outrage, which is this very beautiful rosy pink color on dusky complexions. So I'm just applying that all over the lips. Such a nice formula as well, feels super comfortable, rich and creamy. To set everything, I'm using the Stay the Day Finishing Mist from them to set my makeup. This one has sort of a natural finish on the skin. It's not too matte, not too dewy, right in between. So yeah, I'm just using that to set the entire makeup in place. And here is my final finished look using all Colorbar makeup products. I loved the outcome because this is a nice mauvey romantic tone. It's been a hot minute since I used mauvey tones on my makeup on my face, so I really enjoyed creating this video for you all. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed in the description box if you're wondering. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!